Hello, my name is Alex the Polymath. Today I'm going to give you a basic tutorial on using WordArt. I'm going to search WordArt in my browser, and it should be the top result. It's called WordArt.com. You do not need an account for WordArt. You can create things without an account. So, you're going to click Create Now, which is in the middle of the screen, and it will take you to another tab. In the top left corner, you can change what the words say. I'm going to put dog, cat, and bird there. You can change the size, so I'll make dog pretty big, 13. Cat can be 18. Bird can be 29. So those are going to be pretty big. You can change the color if you would like. I'm going to change this one to blue, this one to green, and I'm going to change this one to red. So I have my colors. You can add more words if you'd like, but I'm not going to add anything because I like these 3 words. So how does it actually make the word art? You can click the red button in the middle of the screen, and that says visualize on it, and you click that, and then aha, this is what it looks like. So you can see bird is the biggest because I made it the biggest size, and cat is the second biggest, and dog is the smallest. So that is a basic tutorial on creating a WordArt word cloud. Thank you for watching.